What's going on, guys? I'm Justin Fix and this is the S550 Fix YouTube channel, and today we are straight piping my 2016 Ford Mustang. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on straight piping my car. What you got to do is you got to take this, it's a 5/8 on the Borla attack cap back, and you just take this bolt off, this nut off, or loosen it up really good. Once you get it a little loose, it should come undone by hand. And just slide this clamp out of the way for now. And then all you're going to do is just push off your muffler and then put on the new muffler delete. I'll update y'all once I get the muffler off. Alright, so I got that muffler off. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, then I'm going to put the SR Performance muffler deletes on. Alright everybody, well, the SR Performance muffler deletes are now on. Well, now we got a cop in front of me and a cop back behind me, so we'll see how this turns out because I just straight piped my car. Alright, so inside the car, like I said, we're about 70 miles an hour right now, just under 2,000 RPMs, and I don't know if you can really tell, but it is awful journey in here. I mean, I took a road trip with these on a few weeks ago, and it was just unbearable. So for a daily driver type thing, I wouldn't suggest these, but you know, if you're only going to drive it every now and then, it's not that big of a deal. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be posting another video here soon. Hope y'all have a happy Easter if you celebrate that. If not, I hope y'all are having a good spring break for those of you on spring break. And be sure to check in for the next video.